Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can add a 3D collection slider in your Shopify store. So basically this slider is looking so beautiful. So you can see on my screen that it is sliding and we have multiple collections on it, and you can also change the background, and there are multiple features inside of it. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this same feature into your Shopify store. So first of all, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. If you have any theme, then still this slider will work, because this is compatible with all the themes. So let me open up my documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download it, and then after you will be finding this file, which is collection-slider.txt. So what you should do is you should go back to the dashboard and then click on these three dots and then click on duplicate. So you need to duplicate this theme so that if you are facing any issues or something, so you must have a original backup. Once you took this backup, then again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here you can see that this is the editor. So what you should do is you should click on sections and then click on this new file icon, and then here you can write collection slider, collection-slider dot liquid, and then press enter key, and inside of this file you need to paste the code which I have attached here. So open it up, and then you can see that we have this 3D collection slider code. You should copy it, and then after you should paste inside of this file, and then you can save the changes and go back to the dashboard again, and here you should click on products, click on collections, and make sure that you should have multiple collections here. I have already created a lot of collections here. So let me show you how you will be adding this section in your Shopify store. So you should go back to the dashboard again, then click on edit theme, and here you can see that we have an option of adding a section. So click on this add section option, and right now you can see here we have multiple sections here, and at the bottom we have 3D collection slider. So just click on that section, and then you will see this kind of structure here. So right now we are interested to add a background first. For say example, I am adding black background, and then after we have the text color, which is, for say example, I am adding white, and then after we have multiple collections right here. So let me add collections one by one. So click on this collection. Here we have the option of selecting a collection. For example, I am adding bestseller. So you also have an option of custom image. For now, the image will be reflecting here from the collection, but if you want, you can also add custom image. So again, we have the second collection. So you should select from here. We have, for example, this one. Then we have the third collection, ladies sweater, I think. Yeah. And then we have the fourth one. So we have new arrivals. Then we have self-designed sweater. Then click on collections, and again we have summer collection, and you can also add one more. For say example, at the bottom we have sweaters, and that's it. Let me save the changes, and here we go. Now you can see that we have a beautiful collection slider right here. If you will preview the changes, then you can also see that on the home page it will be right here. So this is looking so beautiful. You can add into your Shopify store and make your store more beautiful. So you can see that the background is looking beautiful, and also these cards. So you can also update these radius. For say example, you should click on 3D collection slider, and right here we have card border radius. So if you want to reduce it a little bit, you can also do that, and save the changes, and then go back here and refresh it. And also you can change the background color of these arrows, and once you are clicking on any of this collection, for say example this one, so you will be redirected to specific collection page. All right. So this looks beautiful. If you want to navigate it using arrow, so that will also work, but we also have enabled the auto sliding feature into it. Let me show you the mobile view of this. So for say example, I am right clicking here, and here we go. Now you can see that the mobile view is also looking so powerful. Can you see? This is sliding, and other collections are behind the main collection card. So let me know if you are facing any kind of issues in that. If you have to create any new store, or maybe you have to create any new section in your Shopify store, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can message me and you can ask the questions, and definitely I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.